Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson with your very own teacher, the undergraduate teacher. In today's lesson we are looking at a question which came in biology paper 2 2025 G12 GCE exam, which was question 2. It was under nutrition food test. So like the question was saying figure 2 shows the stages involved when testing for the presence of a food nutrient W in crushed onion. So there was this stage 1 here. There was here in stage 1 there was warm water with crushed onion, and here it was saying reagent X dropped in this warm water and crushed onion. It was saying stage 2 add the reagent. Then stage 3 there was water, and stage 3 was showing it was heating. Now they had put like a bucket, the same crushed onion with warm water inside. Then at last it was showing that the result in stage 4 led precipitate. That was the result. The question A was saying identify reagent X. So we are going to say reagent X is equals to Benedict solution. So the reason you are going is that already precipitate after heating is a positive result for Benedict's test, which detects reducing sugar. So if it was paper, that means we could have said Biuret solution for protein. Now it is red, that means it is for Benedict solution for reducing sugar. B was saying explain why the onion was crushed and shaken with warm water. So we are going to say the reason why it was crushed and shaken with warm water is that number one, you are going to say number one, to release, you are going to say to release the nutrients from the onions cells. So the number one, you're going to say to release the nutrients from the onion cells. Number two, you're going to say to dissolve. It was 2 marks, that means you have to write at least 2 points. To dissolve the nutrients into the water. So you are going to say number one, to release the nutrients from the onion cells, and number two, you say to dissolve the nutrients into the water. So what you need to understand, crushing, what you need to understand is that crushing breaks the water. So what you need to understand is that crushing breaks the cells open, and the warm water helps dissolve sugars so they can react with the reagent. So now we need to go to C1. C1 was saying from stage 4 which nutrient in the onion was being tested for. So we are going to say reducing sugar. Examples of reducing sugar are glucose. So what you need to understand is that a ready precipitate in Benedict test shows what reducing sugars are present. So if it had gone purple, would have said it was for Biuret solution, which is protein. If it was blue black, that means it was starch. So okay, so now we need to go to C2. C2 will say name the class to which the nutrient identified in C1 belongs. You are going to say carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, carbohydrates, carbohydrates. So what you need to understand, reducing sugars, they are like glucose are part of the what carbohydrates what group. So now we need to go to C3. Name one other class of nutrients found in onion other than the one identified in C. You can say vitamins, minerals, or fats. You can, let's try just vitamin. Vitamins, there are so many vitamins, or you can say minerals or proteins, fats. So what you need to understand is that onion contains a small amount of other nutrients beside what carbohydrates. So let us look at the last one. It was saying explain the importance of food nutrients W in the human body. Food nutrients W, which is reducing sugar. What is the importance of reducing sugars in the body? You can so it was 3 marks. You can just write 3 points. You can say number 1 point. It provides energy for the body. Then 2 points, you can say used in respiration to release energy. You can say used in respiration to release energy. Last point is because it's 3 marks, you can write, you can say helps in daily activities and body functions. So what you can say, it helps in daily activities and body functions. So reducing sugars like glucose are the main source of energy in the body. So we have come to the end of our lesson. Why should you continue to struggle with biology when the undergraduate teacher is here? Just follow my TikTok channel if you're watching me on TikTok. If you're watching me on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more biology lessons.